Grant Company introduce the finalists for the Xprize.
Thank you. Thank you, Bruce, Laura, and the entire EMBS staff. Xprize is honored to have the opportunity to work with you. So I'm here today to announce the teams that will apply the same drive to radically change or improve healthcare as Burt Rutan exemplified about commercial spaceflight. And then, I don't know if many of you recall, but the Ansari Xprize for Space was Xprize Foundation's first opportunity to demonstrate the utility of commercial spaceflight. That resulted in really 26 teams spending over $100 million for a $10 million prize purse. And Sir Richard Branson actually acquired the rights to Spaceship One and will quickly launch Virgin Galactic later this year. Nokia Sensing X Challenge is a companion competition to the Qualcomm Tricorder Xprize. This competition will actually conclude on November 10th of this year. And we're going to have a public announcement of the grand prize winner and 5 distinguished award winners. 6 of the teams that are competing in this competition are actually with us here today. And we're really excited and welcome them to join you in this conference. Now, the vision of Gene Roddenberry that he exemplified in Star Trek over 50 years ago has inspired generations of scientists, many of whom are in this room. One of these technologies is about to be realized through the Qualcomm Tricorder Xprize. And this competition is all about making science fiction science reality. And starting with more than 312 teams, a little over 2 years ago, we down selected to 34 teams, and now I'm here to announce the top 10 finalists for this competition. So just to give you a little context for this competition, each of these 10 teams that I'm going to be announcing today must design, build, and deliver 13 devices capable of diagnosing up to 15 different conditions and continuously monitor 5 vital signs. And these technologies really have the potential to transform healthcare for millions of people around the world. Now, our 10 finalists represent 6 countries around the world in a wide array of portable and wireless technologies. Now, in alphabetical order, Team Azon. Our team this is really a team comprised of undergraduates from Johns Hopkins University, and it's led by Tatiana Rapinski. Cloud DX from Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, formed by Canadian company BioSign, has successfully launched the FDA-cleared device called PulseWave, and this company is led by Dr. Sony Kohli. The Inventry from Tamil Nadu, India, has launched a product called AMI Vitals, and the team leader is Sridharan Mani. DMI specializes in discovery to production for new products, is located in Massachusetts, and their team leader is Dr. Eugene Chan. Dynamical Biomarkers Group. This is a team comprised of physicians, scientists, and engineers from both Taiwan and the United States, and their team leader, Chung-Kang. Final Frontier Medical Devices. And this team was formed by actually 2 brothers, one physician and one engineer, for the primary purpose of competing in this competition. They're from Paulet, Pennsylvania, and their team leader is Dr. Basil Harris. MESI, Simplifying Diagnostics, from Ljubljana, Slovenia. They have launched a product to measure peripheral arterial disease, and their team leader is Jacob Sesterik. And Scanners from the United Kingdom is really our team of entrepreneurs. They're led by Anil Baidi. And Scanadu, this is our team from Silicon Valley, California, led by Walter de Brouwer. And finally, Zensor from Belfast, Northern Ireland. This is actually a university spin-out, and it's led by Jim McLaughlin. And I'd like to please join me in giving every one of those 10 finalists a round of applause. You've done a fantastic job and have come a long way in the last few years. And finally, what I wanted to do also is recognize the FDA and Dr. Jeffrey Shuren at the Center for Devices and Radiological Health, who has partnered with the Xprize Foundation specifically on this competition for really the benefits of both the teams and patients alike. We're really trying to use this competition as a way to identify opportunities to streamline the regulatory process for technologies that are being developed under this competition. And really, we want to use this competition as a real demonstration of the power of these technologies to really transform healthcare. And finally, this competition will actually be ending in January of 2016, so this gives us an opportunity to celebrate the accomplishments of these teams, as well as the 10 finalists that are competing in this competition. And we're going to be awarding the top 3 teams as awardees for this competition. And I don't know how many of you know this, but this date actually coincides with the 50th anniversary of Star Trek. So it was actually a great tie-in and a conclusion to this competition. And please follow us on both Facebook and Twitter to stay in touch with this competition, learn about the development of these teams and their technologies. And we'll actually have an opportunity to learn more about the 6 teams that are here today. At 1:30, we're going to be located in the Sheraton Ballroom number 1, and we're going to have a panel discussion involving our colleagues from Qualcomm, along with the 6 finalists for this competition. So please join us at 1:30 in the Sheraton Ballroom number 1. And that's all. Thank you very much.